BeCare oral cleansing and suctioning systems are designed to provide 24 hours of comprehensive oral care for ventilated patients. The suction tools are designed to connect directly to the standard suction lines. The BeCare kit can be flexibly and economically adapted to any hospital protocol. To begin, you will need a suction canister and an oral suction line. The 24 Hours Oral Care Kit contains 3 identical blister package sets, intended for use of 1 per 8 shift, each containing a 360-degree brush, 2 pipettes, a suction rod, and a sponge rod. Some optional kits also have a liquid sachet provided. At the beginning of each day, place or hang the kit at an accessible location. Tear a blister package set from the kit. Take out the suction rod. Connect the suction line to the suction rod. Use the suction catheter to remove secretions from the oral pharyngeal area. For convenience, the suction rod can be bent. You may hang it onto the patient mouth for continuous suction operation. For brushing, use the 360 degrees brush. Suction may be connected directly to the brush for suctioning through the brush tip. Alternatively, suction may be kept on the dedicated suction rod. The 360 degrees brush facilitate more comfortable hand movement while brushing. The wide, gentle bristles avoid irritation of sensitive gums. Conveniently, load the disinfection liquid into a pipette from any source of your choice. Clip on the pipette onto the brush handle. Press the pipette to eject disinfection liquid as needed. Suction control with your finger. After brushing, a moisturizer optionally applied, either with the same 360 brush or with included sponge rod. Well done! Dispose of all elements.